Il-Teatru nazzjonali tagħna bħalissa huwa d-dar tal-opra klassika Tosca ta' Giacomo Puccini. It-tenur u surmast prominenti Josè Cura se jieħu sehem u jidderiġi l-produzzjoni u llum se nlaqqgħukom miegħu biex jurina x'se joffri t-tim tiegħu fl-aħħar ta' dan ix-xahar.
The production is absolutely different, of course, to begin with the fact that the stage is give and take 50 square meters, which means that everything has to be calculated to the centimeter, not to have traffic jams on stage. Mostly when the whole choir is on stage, the kids are on stage, so the main challenge is the number of people in relation with the surface. For those who know the manual, know that this stage has been conceived for Baroque operas or little small classic operas, Mozart, Donizetti, not so big, and so the stage can fit only 35 people. That means that you cannot do a big opera of the late Romantic period because the smallest orchestra is 60 plus. And the only way to do this is or not to do them at all, which is what usually happens, and then the great guys of the Gozo operatic group take the challenge and they do them there because they have two big theaters, or if you do them here, you need to adapt. And that's why we're doing, adapting. As long as you're here for the performance. One of the characteristics of the show for the public, for those who knows the St. John Oratorium, who knows Birgu, the Inquisitor's Palace, is that we are quoting, of course it's not 100% perfect, but we are quoting the places. That means that our Tosca takes place at the Manoel, but also the production is the ambience of the production is Malta, really Malta. So the first act is St. John Oratorium, a quote of it with a Caravaggio there that you are not seeing right now, but you will see if you come. And the second act is in Birgu in the Inquisitor's Palace. And that's a very interesting information. A lot of people I know here, they never been in the Inquisitor's Palace, for example, so I'm expecting that after the Tosca, everybody's going to go to see how it looks, the real thing. So they will be very happy with your visit.